Why people, right, it is currently 10 o'clock the night before the Ironman, and we are ready to rock and roll. I'm just booking my business class flight tickets to Dubai because I am doing a spontaneous trip in a week's time. So I've got a week in Manchester and then I'm going to Dubai for 2 weeks to move a couple of companies over there, move my residency over there, and also to do a mastermind, which we shall talk more about when I'm actually there, with someone that I will show in the next few videos. But yeah, so the Ironman is in. I need to wake up at 5, so I need to book these flights, go to bed, probably shower, shave my face, and then get ready for the big day. Let's get it.
Are you ready? Vamos! Vamos! The family's the friend. Venga, familia! Can everybody please put your hands in the air? Por favor, todo el mundo, manos arriba! Vamos a hacer este momento león. Are you ready? Vamos! Vamos! The family's the friend. Venga, familia! Everybody! Vamos todos! Manos arriba! Let's go! Zafiro, Ironman 70.3 Alcudia, Mallorca.
Post-race interview, we didn't make sub 5 hours 6 minutes 52 or something. We were definitely on for it, about 14k into the run, but our stomach let us down today, which is always a good learning point. We had stomach cramps from like 20k into the ride, but managed to hold out. Blew my brains out the back in T2, and then yeah, last lap of it, which was 7k, absolutely stomach cramps, and that was it. That was my 7 minutes gone. So, but good excuse to another one, I guess. At the moment, endorphins are high, legs are feeling like absolute jelly, but we did it. Ironman 70.3 Mallorca completed. We had an absolute sum of a lifetime. We managed to do a pretty quick bike, and yeah, we just let ourselves down on the fuel and we just couldn't get any more energy in because stomach couldn't handle it. Next steps, work on fueling during training. Always learning, but yeah, now it's time to drink some Coke, drink some beers, chill the fuck out, and yeah, thanks to everyone who during the day, and yeah, I'll put the photos up, but fuck me, yeah, kind of surreal when you do an event like that. If you haven't done a big sporting event, then I would definitely recommend it. It's pretty crazy feeling that you work so hard for so long, and then to do it, and whilst I didn't achieve the goal I wanted to achieve, I felt fucking amazing. I think something different about previous down, I've done a lot of work recently on myself, and yeah, previous down was really disheartened with what I just did there, but going down, absolutely gassed with it, can't lie. Had an absolute summer of my life. Bike was perfect, run was perfect, it was a 14k, just stomach couldn't handle it. So based on my training, which I prioritised going out and having fun with the lads rather than training, to be honest with you, I can't complain. Life is fantastic. So I'll do a full review tomorrow, but for now, chill out on the beach. Here's the medal. Legend. Everyone knows the only day you can wear your medal is the day you got it. So wear it as pride, people. Bit of a reflection on the Ironman. I'm pretty happy, not gonna lie. You take the 506, and the sub 5 was definitely on, and now we're gonna have to do it again. So newer bike, more training, more gains. So let's go get it. We're going for dinner with the fam. We haven't booked anywhere, we're just trying to find somewhere. So we'll see what we can get in. I fancy a pizza, not gonna lie. Legends. Not gonna lie, getting a couple of looks having the medal on, but I think it is the go. You can decide in the comments if you do a marathon or an event and you wear the medal on that day, is that allowed, yes or no? Because I believe the only day you can wear the medal is the day you do the event. So I'm gonna wear a medal. Same thing with marathons, same thing with half. The only day you can wear your medal is on the day you do it. So why the fuck wouldn't you wear it? Otherwise, what the fuck is it for? So summary is, whilst we didn't achieve the sub 5 goal this time, the plan is we go again. We just don't know what then. Maybe Lanzarote, nice hot one, but we're gonna go for a flat one. We're gonna upgrade the bike, and we're gonna try to look for. Jeez, yeah. I was keeping it real. I was sat on the sofa, like not asleep, but relaxing for the first time in a long time. And to be honest, it felt quite good. Do you know what was crazy about the Ironman? 5 hours, no phone, nothing, just me and myself in the head. Considering I had a stitch and I was battling stomach cramps for most of it, then I was just focused on that the whole time. But it's definitely something when you spend 5 hours on your own in your head. It has been pretty busy recently. I've been felt a bit overwhelmed by everything. And then to do that, it was good. It was a vibe. So I'm happy we did it. And now we're looking for a restaurant because we're just hungry. Yeah, I'm thinking pizza, pasta. This is cute, isn't it? Look at this little restaurant, eh? There we go. Found somewhere. Oh yeah. Nailed it. And here we go from beef carpaccio to a loser. Thoughts on that, Nan? Yeah. What we like. Yes, party people, we are back in the airport. After 2 weeks in Mallorca, we are going home. Ironman complete. Work complete. Good fun had. Now it's time to go back. Dial in for a week in Manchester, and then we're off to Dubai for 2 weeks, which should be fun. And you'll hear more about that in a bit. But now through security, and then we'll catch up afterwards to round off the Ironman vlog.
Spell us without trust. Put the lust aside of some things we gotta discuss. So close your legs for a bit, baby. Let's open up. Closed mouths don't get fed. Finish your lunch. Your panties in a bunch. Tell me where you been at these last couple months. You say you want me back, so baby don't front. Cause I can never know too much, but just enough so the next nigga never feel he got the one up. But we ain't gotta rush, take your time. We can talk until the sun up. I see you.